And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a blending text effect in Adobe Illustrator. In the view, I've got a smart guide and snap to point only activated, and I use the type tool. Let me left click on a canvas and I'll type in some text. Let's call it graphic design. I'll hold Shift and Alt and resize it. And I want to create a background. Well, let me first play around with the font. I guess I use this one, Errors Bold. That's fine. I'll drag a copy out of it and I'll hold Alt. And now let me create the background with the rectangle tool. Right click, arrange, center back. I'll change the color of the text. So I'll hold Shift, click on both, and now I'll make that white. I want to select the top one and then press Ctrl C. That way I've got it copied. You can see it right here. Now I shift click on both elements and I swap the color so that I have a stroke and no fill. And now I use the blend tool. I can adjust the blend via object blend and blend options. Use specified steps. How many, that depends on the size of your background and the text, obviously. So 12 looks way better than 25. Let me change it again. Maybe to 10 only. And I can also press Alt Ctrl B. And then I press Ctrl F to paste what I've copied initially in the front. And that way I've got the text readable no matter how many blendings I've created or how many blending steps I've chosen. What you may also want to try is to work with the opacity on top. So just pick the one at the bottom. For example, go to the properties menu and go down with the opacity. And you select them both, and then again Alt Ctrl B. You can see that it also blends gradually towards an opacity of 0, so towards transparency. And this is how you can recreate this blending text effect in Adobe Illustrator. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.